Hey guys, it's Sundown and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on these tassels that I made the other day following a tutorial from a lady. Her name is Fochukas Dolls, and I will leave her information in the description box below. I'm not sure how I came upon her tutorial, but when I saw it I thought, oh my gosh, that is the easiest way to make a tassel ever. So here we go. What you're going to need is some embroidery thread. And then you're going to need a couple of beads with holes big enough for the thread to go through. And you're going to need a losper clasp. And then you're going to need a bunch of little ribbons and trims to the size of your liking. And so right here what I'm doing is I'm pulling out just quite a bit of a length so I can tie around the trims. So I'm just turning them sideways here. Trying to make sure that the string is evenly in the middle. Alright, so I'm going to tie it, and then I'm going to tie it again once I make sure that it's in the middle. Okay, here we go, tying it again, and I think I tie it one more time. There we go. Now we're going to pull the strings together and straighten out our ribbons. And what I'm going to do here next is I'm going to trim the two little embroidery threads to the same length to put through my beads. And I'm going to take this big pink one here and put it at the bottom. See, it goes right through. Now I'm going to take the yellow one, smaller of the beads, put it right through. This one I had a little bit of difficulty, and that's just because whenever you do a video, something has to go wrong. There we go, went right through. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the lobster clasp on one of the strings, and then we're going to tie it together in a knot. And I do believe I do this about 4 times. Now what you're going to do is you're going to just cut off that string. Some people like to add beads to the end of that string, but I'm not. And there you have it, the easiest peasiest tutorial on making a very beautiful tassel you'll see in a long time. Oh, I thought it was over. I forgot I gotta trim the bottoms of the trim to make it straight. Right here I'm just doing it the way you cut hair to try to get all the trims even. I'd be paying attention at the hair salon. I have done my kids' bangs crooked so many times, it's not even funny. I don't do it crooked no more. But I found that they're still a little bit uneven, so I'm going to go back in and do it again. And then, but perfect. Okay guys, tell me what you think. Wasn't that easy? All right, see you later. Bye.